Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. Today we are talking about how to get user input in Python 3. So let's get started. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. It's free of charge. You won't be charged so that you get notified whenever I release a new video or series. And if you are not new here, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. And kindly leave a thumbs up on the video and ask your questions below. So with user input in Python, sometimes when you are working on a project or you have your project that you are working on, you require that the user will give you some information that you use to work with. So let's say you are having a program that gets the user name and what. So let's say you have a program to get username and print out the output. So a simple program like this, why I didn't execute was because it's a comment, the hash on it. So with this kind of program, you have to ask the user for input. So what you do is that when you type input, this is the input function, and when you just click enter, they will give you an option to enters a value, and when you enter it, it prints it out for you. So input 45 prints it out. But with a user, you need to store it in a variable. So with the one I gave above, you just have name is equal to, and you take in your input, and you click enter. So it is they give the person an option to enter the name. So when I enter the name, Joe, you see in this case I don't have to enter it as a string because whenever the user is not a programmer to know a string or not. So when the user enters, Python takes it and stores it as a string. So when I get the type of name, I have a string there for me. It's the same way you can. So with this, if you are asked to have that, so I've just gotten the name and I've printed it. But with something like this, sorry. With a program like this, when you enter it, the user has nothing there to know what you are talking about. So what we often do is that we add some statement inside it. So with this, what the user enters, the user doesn't know what you are talking about. So the better way to put it is name is equal to your input function. Then you put some statement inside there in a form of a string. So let's say, please enter your name. So it gives the user a question, and the user knows what he's about to enter. So please enter your name, and he can now enter his name, Joe Grow, and you then print it out as name. What if it wasn't name? It was age or something. So we are requesting for the age. So age is an integer, or we are requesting for just a number from the person. So user name is equal to input. Please enter your favorite number. So please enter your favorite number. My favorite number is 4. And username, it prints it out as a string, and that isn't what we are looking for. So in order to get the username as an integer and use it for whatever that you want to do, what you do is when you get the username, so when you are defining it, you have to typecast it as I showed you how to convert integer to string and this. So how to do it, you just put int, and in front of that you put in your whole input function inside it. That is because you can put functions inside function. The int is a function and the input too is a function, and you've kept it inside. So with this, when you get the username, so when I enter 4, and I try to get print user none, it prints out as what? As 4. It's the same way you can use the other data types, float and others. So this is basically how you what? Get user input. You get input from your user, and the information will what? Be saved for you. So if you enjoyed this video, which I know you did, I try to put it simple and explain everything for you. Kindly leave a thumbs up, like the video so that we'll be able to what? Push through the algorithm, and also leave a comment below if you have any question on any part of the series. You can leave a question below, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.